So I really don't know how it works, but absolutely everything in life is a message. Mother Earth gives us these little places where we can sit and be and connect and remember who we truly are, and the messages are everywhere. And when we know how to relax and how to self-regulate our own nervous system, we find a baseline of safety. That baseline is connection. It's a connection and a remembering to who we truly are. And that's somewhere we can begin from. We're going to meet edges, but we can have the tools to know how to stay within our center. Because when we are within our centers, we can create, we can connect, we can remember, we can listen, and we can find balance, and we can have trust. There's not much more to say, really. It's just beautiful. And here in the beauty, you connect with imagination, our ability to create. And just imagine the beauty that we can create with our Mother Earth when we have that foundation. Even if the fish do bite us when we're sitting in the water. I'm so happy that life still exists, and I'm so happy to be alive. There's been a journey of individuation, a journey through deaths and rebirth. And I've experienced that because I now know how to hold it. I know what things don't work. And I know how to hold people to find what's true for them. I'm constantly learning, because that's never ending, like healing. Becoming whole, remembering. Life couldn't be any more beautiful than this. The sound of nature, the feeling of bliss. When we live from our true heart and not from our mind, our view of the world opens up from being blind. Love, like a rainbow, spreads joy through our day, a spectrum of feelings to show us the way, and fear ties us up, boxed in, paralyzed, stopping our vision of dimensions and size. We can let love in our hearts and open our wings and hear Mother Nature as each song she sings. Life is for living. Don't let things bring you down. Open to beauty, to freedom, to your vision, your creation. Oh, we are water. There's intelligence within that. It's just about connecting. It's just about remembering. It's just about listening, about finding our balance and having trust. Life couldn't be any more beautiful than this. The sound of nature, the feeling of bliss. When we live from our true heart and not from our mind, our view of the world opens up from being blind.
When we are held in nervous system safety, connected to Mother Earth, we have a chance to integrate more of our soul potential at this time of great change. If you would like to explore deeper into your own being and have resources to support your own nervous system, to connect with who you truly are, I offer mentorship for women. I invite you to click on the link to enter www.birthingthenewearth.com, where you can find out more.